Hello, viewers. Hello, viewers. Thanks for watching this program. I know you are following us for a while. I appreciate your effort to come and watch the success stories. We have a good success story from Siva, who is from Dubai, who cleared PMP recently. 24th of July, he cracked it, and he's pretty excited. I believe he slept well for last few days. Is it right, Siva?
Yes, Sriram.
Okay. Once again, great congratulations for this wonderful achievement. You rock the show.
Thank you very much.
Okay, great. So, Shiva, you have to give a little background about yourself. Tell where you're from. Meantime, I'll bring your beautiful certificate also.
Sure, definitely. Currently, I'm in Dubai. I'm from Andhra Pradesh,
Uh-huh.
India,
Uh-huh.
and I'm working in Dubai from past 5 years as a senior techno-functional consultant in
Great.
Dubai, like TRP.
So, when I bring an example of Sheikh Abdullah, you know that.
Yes.
In the classes, we have this example, right? Going on.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the certificate. That's a very important thing to watch out. July 24th. Okay. Is this a date you marked already? You're aware of it? You're going to crack it?
Yes, Sriram, because I joined in a March batch and until April and May first week, I was not reading, just the time is going away.
Uh-huh.
I thought, okay, first I need to book the exam. I
Uh-huh.
booked the exam on July 24th.
Mm-hmm.
I thought
Nice.
if it is not well, we'll able to postpone, but
Nice. So you have a second mind. If it happens, doesn't happen.
yeah.
That's true. That's true. Great. Good to know. Good to know. So that's a beautiful certificate, and we can see you as a senior Oracle ERP techno functional. Man, it's a big post, huh? Lot of stuff on your plate.
Yeah.
Okay. Being into this role of senior Oracle, how come you want to get into managerial track? How come this
It's
popped up?
I will trust only one thing. Based on our experience, we have to achieve something, either into any certificate, either technology related or any our growth related. So
Mm-hmm.
1920, I decided to do it PMP. That time, even I tried for 3 months. Due to
Mm-hmm.
my preparation, it was not well planned. I was failed in the December.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and here we have some value in the PMP in the Dubai. We'll get
Okay.
more uh, salary and
Package goes high, huh?
yes.
So how do they see the PMP qualified people, like an MBA valued person, or they see as a top qualified people? What kind of view they get?
It's organization to organization, Sriram. Like it is a big organization. It is technology related. They will see like manager with integration background, like multiple applications and how we'll manage. There are
Uh-huh.
something related to only people management. Like they will see that background of our education and these things.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
For us,
Okay.
like in Dubai, like we have some options. Like in the big organization, like banks and everything, we have options. Like I go for a integration manager. If you work
Mm.
with multiple applications and these things, we have
Mm.
options. That one.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Quite good. Nice. So you see people around you having a holding PMP.
Yeah, very less people they are working as a manager, but I thought okay. Anyway, see, my main aim is until graduation I was in Telugu medium, only MCA like English medium. Like after that I struggled a lot to learn the communication.
Cool pickup, man. Because English has been considered as one of the primary thing in country like India, right? So people from school and college moving from their regional language and mother tongue and getting into English, it's
Yeah,
not that easy. It's not easy, man.
yeah.
First thing, I would appreciate you for that great effort what you took, and the way you speak now, you feel like you are brought up in some English speaking country.
No.
Nice.
I
I
put
like that.
more
I like
effort
that.
to learn that one. We have some friends in Hyderabad. I completed
Perfect.
MCA in Hyderabad. From him, like I learned something like English and Hindi both.
Nice. That's good.
Yeah,
Yeah, having a silver spoon and coming up is not interesting. See, in the movie, what you watch, someone from the bottom, from the dust come up. That makes
yeah.
man right. I like that. I like that tough fighting attitude. Great, super. So now, PMP. How do you came to Sri learning from Dubai?
Here I joined in 2020. Like when I'm going through LinkedIn, like I saw your post and you helped me to get that PMP. Some exam was there, right? Like free exam last year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that I pinged you. Like you and Rahul helped me to get that one, and yeah, from there, like I used to watch all success stories. I thought,
Okay.
okay, I have to crack it.
Okay. There you got addicted
Yeah,
on
yes,
PMP. One day I'll do PMP fully.
yeah,
Right.
yes, yes.
Great. So March you join the classes. Dubai timing is different. How do you manage with India time?
For us, office timings are like very flexible. Morning 7:30 to 2:30, like 9 to 4. It's a
Uh-huh.
government organization. I
Uh-huh.
have more time.
Uh-huh.
Like we
Okay.
do not have much work pressure.
Wow, man. This video people going to watch, they're going to ask you, Shiva, can you tell me where is it?
Yeah, that is main advantage here. Like just I want to utilize that one. Like I utilized in a way that like after by
Nice.
4 means India time 6, I used to come and minimum 4 hours. Like from May 14th, I started learning every day, minimum 4 to 5 hours.
That's nice, right? 4 to 5 years, a decent time.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yes, yes, yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool. And 4 to 5 hours for nearly a month of time should be.
Total 56 days was there when I booked the exam, May 14th. From there, I started.
So you booked and start your studies.
Yes, because I'm coming home and just I'm just going here and there. Like I was not reading. I thought,
Ah.
okay, I want to.
You said, okay, let me book it fully, then I'll go for it. Okay, that's a good idea. So pressure goes on, right? Once you book it.
Yeah, because even after the classes finish, like we are seeing all the people getting certified and other success stories we are watching, right? Even though we are roaming outside, there is our mind is going to, okay, when we'll achieve that one. That part is always was there.
Okay, so success stories are one way putting pressure.
Yeah, it is one way. It's very good, Sriram. Like success stories, like it will keep you on every time. Like okay, how to do it, how to do it.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Good. So which book? Did you stick with any one book?
Yeah, I read it Pimbak only, complete Pimbak.
Okay.
And
Okay.
before reading, first I used to watch your videos, class videos. I
Hmm.
make some notes. Like suppose if I am reading today stakeholder, like I will go to your videos. I make a note to get idea
Nice.
of the overall concept, and from there I started like stakeholder. Every chapter I saw
Nice.
your video, and I go through that Pimbak.
Nice. 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 That's good. That's good. I think listening and reading will give a connection, right?
Yes,
Some examples you listen in the classes, maybe that will help you to relate something when you read.
it will give overall concept when you are reading. Like it will give you that concept. Okay, I know this one. Like you will get that concept from there. Like it was very advantage for me, that one.
Perfect. Perfect. That's really interesting. That's really interesting. So you practiced your test. Are you part of the regular test, daily
Yeah.
questions, weekly
Yes,
questions?
regular questions, even though if I miss it, like after my office hours finish, like 3 to 4 hours,
Ah,
three
hmm.
to four hours, I will sit like last 4 to 5 days questions. I will take the printout answers and I will keep it side that one and I will write the exam in the notepad. Like I will keep answers and later I will verify all the answers, whether it is correct or not. And I used to analyze that one, even though if I miss it every day,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
almost
Okay.
like 45 days printouts are there, like each and everything. I analyzed that one, all the questions, and it was very useful.
Nice. Good to know. Good to know. So you made it as a daily habit of reading, writing test. Are you able to participate weekly test? We do have a weekly PMP
Yes, yes.
test.
I was almost 4 to 5 have written, but my score was very less.
Okay.
One exam I got 72.
So
My wife
72 you
used to,
consider as less. Okay.
no, only one exam I got.
Okay.
Other exam I used to get 62, 65, like.
Decent score. Decent score. I know this weekly test was a good connection, I believe. We were in the rhythm for a while.
Yeah, yes, yes, Sriram. It is
Mm.
like complete whatever you are giving the same exam, like whatever you suggest, if you follow that one, main exam, everyone will easily clear because the way we are writing the task, right? Task one, task two are there, right? Like
Right.
daily assignment. Same thing are coming in that like exam in the scenarios like continuum. They are giving that chart and they are asking like based on the scenario which project life cycle you will select.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay.
That way like they're directly giving the chart.
Wow. So the writing habit somehow helps.
Yeah, really will help. Like because people, if they write it, like it will easily for them. Like they will get 1 mark directly. That one.
Nice, nice to know. Nice to know. So, how is it in Dubai? Is it a center-based exam? You went center or home?
Yeah, I have taken center based because I have kids. Like it is too tough for me. Someone
Mhm.
and tell everything. I went to center based.
Okay, they make a lot of noise around.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay, how is center there? You have to wear the mask.
No, no, no. They are very flexible. Like if the other people is not having any issue, like no need to wear mask. I was lucky
Oh,
that one way.
no, no one is there.
People are there. Like everyone, they are not wearing the mask in a room. 6 to 7 people are there, but manageable because here everyone has taken the vaccine, right? There are 2 doses completed.
Belief. I like
Yeah,
your
yes,
trust.
yes.
I like
And they
your
have
trust.
given the earbuds also, like everyone.
Yeah, that I mean, noise reduction headset.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Nice. Okay, very good. So now, exam. Did you plan anything before going to exam timeline? This is what you have to do.
Yeah, yes, Sriram, but it didn't work out finally. The last 2 sections, like first section, it's a 60 question, 90 minutes. I thought
Hmm.
to finish by 80 because when I read the question, it is simple. But when I'm making answers, like 2 answers eliminated, 2 are like this one or that one. I'm going to
Okay.
this question, coming back and just keeping that one.
Uh-huh,
Like that,
uh-huh.
like it was taken total 90 minutes.
Hmm.
I've taken a break and I went to next section.
Hmm.
That section like match the following questions came like same like our resource management, all the make farming, numbing, storming. They're giving those type of things and scenario wise, you have to match their time kills. Almost 60 question. I have taken 80 minutes.
Oh, second
80,
slot took extra time. Uh-huh.
82 minutes, not 80, 82 minutes.
12 minutes extra. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Hmm.
Final like total 56 minutes. I have 60 questions in the third section.
Look like IPL last over. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, and just I'm seeing the question in making answers. Like I thought, okay, 15 minutes, 10 minutes minimum, 15 to 16 question I make a last, and like
Uh,
that I just completed.
uh,
When I come to 10 minutes, total 16 questions were there.
mm.
What I have done just from 165th question, like I went to all questions and I make a random answer each and
Mm.
every question. From 180, I came back to 165.
Oh.
Even I
Okay.
didn't submit that exam, like end exam, automatically it came the button, just I press yes.
That's a thriller, right? Last few minutes, a thriller.
Yeah, I pray the God, just I want to pass, because exam is simple, Sriram. Like if you practice daily our questions, like our learning and study hall will help you a lot because the similar questions like the
Model
terminology.
will be same.
Yeah, yeah. Even
Okay.
I suggested our people, like whoever contacted me, I told them like at least go through because people is having fear about study hall. There are
Ah.
no proper explanation about the answers.
Mm.
Uh, One way it is good to go through that one.
Got you. So, how good Sri Learning mock? Did you took the exam?
Yeah, yes, yes. Relearning, I have taken first one exam, and you asked me to go through the study hall. I went to study hall. That 15 questions, like mini exams, are there.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
completed those 15, and I went to first study hall exam. I got 71%. Those
Mm.
exams are like once you finish 15 questions, like some questions are repeating in the first exam.
Mm. Mm.
I
Mm.
analyzed all those questions, and from there I went to Prepcast. My score in
Okay.
the Prepcast like 60 to 65 between. It's going there and here.
Right. Right. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
So you're touched with Sri Learning, Study Hall, Prepcast. Right. Good. I think a good solid of preparation you did. And but still the exam timing was a little tough for you. I mean the last few
Until
questions.
yeah, based on the score, like I thought to call you and postpone the exam. My wife said like even if you prepare another 2 months, like the same situation, whatever happened, just go through.
She's good, right? So we have a portfolio manager at home.
Yeah, yeah. She said like even she is watching me every day, right? Like you are spending a lot of time and the score will come like that only. Anyway, just go through. Whether if you fail, we have one more attempt because this is the second time for me, right? Until
Ah,
November, we have
man, it's not about atom, man. You have to pay the money.
even yeah money only. But I thought okay, at least I will pass because
Hmm.
I saw some success stories about Vinayak and Nagalakshmi. They used to say like they have done good analysis, but their score are less and they
Yep.
pass. I have
Yep.
some
Yep.
motivation about that one, and that okay.
Yeah. See, now what I feel is PMP on that day, your acceleration will be definitely high.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if you go with the confidence, you can crack it. A good amount of preparation, 4-5 full exams practice, decent score of 65, 70, 72%. Then have a gut feel and go and write the exam. That's it.
Yeah, yes, Sriram.
That's nice. That's nice. Good. Superb. So if you want to give some thoughts or advice to people preparing for exam, what will be yours?
Just follow Sriram, like don't take any tension. Whatever Sriram and Sri Learning says, just go through that one. That's it. Like no need to go any other thing. This is the one of the best institute I saw. Like means people now it's a fully commercialized. Like in Dubai, I've seen some institutes like even for filling the application form also they are asking some money to support that one.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
because we have spent money and see the way like you are giving like maybe people will commercialize like anything, but you are not taking. It's like your mentorship and everything is very good. Uh, Even Rahul also like even 24 hours like whenever we give anything like immediately he will respond that one.
Service. That's it.
Yeah,
In
yes, Sriram.
stakeholder management, manage it closely.
Yeah, when I was a like online trainer like for Oracle ERP technical, I used to teach from when I
Oh,
was in Hyderabad. I used to teach like to
very
the
good.
people.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So we have a big trainer in front of me. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. Because when I moved to Dubai from there, I stopped because the timings are different, right? Otherwise, I used to take online and offline classes.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Good. So don't give up. You have to start doing again.
Yeah, yeah. Even I used to learn like my technology related whenever I get time, like all the
Nice. Nice. Nice.
online courses and everything.
See, world always needs good teachers and good coach.
Yes,
Right?
yes, Sriram.
It's very much needed. So keep doing the service. Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah,
Superb, superb, great. So viewers, I think you're getting a lot of points from him. And one thing I heard from him is be confident, go right. That's it. Don't
yeah,
think too much. Nice, nice to know. So what I heard from you is book is PMBOK, practice exams, free learning, study hall, prepcast. You took it and you're participating everyday test, which Rahul posted in the WhatsApp. You
yeah,
took
yes.
weekly test with the Sri Learning on PMP and Agile. And I think that's a decent plan you had and you're able to crack it. The two, you went to center based so that you
Yeah,
don't get the hiccup of having things at home.
no, I went 1 hour before, like my exam was 9:30. The institute opened by 8 o'clock. 8:15 I was there. I thought, okay, I need to finish anyway. Just I
Huh?
started almost 8:45.
That guy's a little surprised, right? Why you came early? No?
Yeah, there are other people came like they have exam at 8:30. Just
Oh,
before that they have other.
yeah, yeah. In center, that's how they do. If you go early and the system is available, they'll give you.
Yeah,
They don't make you to wait till 9:30 or 9 o'clock. They'll give you immediately. That's a
yeah,
good. Did you took the break in exam in between?
yeah. I have taken and we have like one big arch was there in the Dubai. Recently they built it like it is opposite that exam center only. In the 10
Ah,
minutes utilized and I have taken some chocolates. Like
you went out and got some chocolates.
no, no, I already have in that. I kept in the locker. I have taken chocolates and I used to watch that one. Okay, anyway, I have to finish next exam. Next 60 questions, I have to do it like properly. Leave whatever it has happened. And the way like just I used to watch that one. Okay, next time like I need to this 60 I have to crack it. The way I have started and I have finished that one. Still.
So what chocolate you had?
Just it's crack something.
Some
It's
Snickers.
Dubai chocolate. Yeah.
Somebody will watch, right? These guys in middle of the exam taking chocolates and enjoying the life.
Yeah, exactly. That opposite lift only that the balcony was there. I used to go there, and people used to watch what is doing. I'm eating chocolate and just roaming here and there because that tension we have to get it down, right?
Right, right. That's true. That's true. It's becoming other day. Mervin was talking from Germany. Germany, yeah, it's been Germany, right? He was telling that in center they gave him chocolates.
Yeah, yeah. I saw that successful. Yeah.
I think we have to recommend this Pearson group, guys. People are spending $500 for the exam. Can't you give one chocolate to them?
Yeah,
Anyhow, that's nice to know. Nice to know, Shiva. Right? Anything more do you want to dedicate to your family? Yeah, how much they supported?
yeah. Just my wife was waiting. She was paying like, yeah. Anyway, we have to crack it. She used to
Wow.
pray that day, like that day, same Guru Purnima was there, same day.
Wow. 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 Look at that. Huh? It's a whole team effort. Huh?
It is not simple exams, Sriram. Like the way we are coming from that almost 2 months or 3 months, it is like really you feel that suddenly you have to drop that one. You will get that much frustration. You
Yeah.
have to,
Yeah. No, that's true. That's true. See, the reason in the classes adding philosophy and psychology is I have seen over the years, people come for the classes, then they don't go for exams. In
yeah,
my
yes,
in the initial days, I used to take classes for 10 people, 15 people. In 15, one person will take exam after 8 months because of he is going to lose a job.
yeah,
That's how it was. So that's a time I took a decision that I will make sure many people write the exam. So how to make you write the exam is make you feel the importance of the subject,
yes,
importance of your life. That's the reason sometimes the dose of philosophy will be high in the classes, but that works now. Now people understand the importance of why they read, and that helps them until the exam hall, telling that you can do it.
the way daily we are getting messages, right? Someone is passing success story, like it will motivate more every day.
Exactly. Exactly. Every 2 days or one day you get on. Every day we get it something. Usually Friday, Saturday, Sunday will be bunch of people clearing.
Yeah, yes, yes,
But still, I will tell average is low. Now, even if you see a ratio of 10 people comes, two only will go for exam. So still the ratio
yeah,
is low. The reason is people are committed to too many things at office and family. They
yeah,
cannot
yes.
pull it out, right? It's not easy. It's not easy. Fantastic. Superb, Shiva. Superb. Great. So thanks a lot. First thing, you came up here to give this wonderful feedback. And the 24th of July, where are we? 28th of July, we are 4 days of
Yeah,
class.
yes.
And I'm sure 2 days you have been excited. How is your LinkedIn now after posting it?
LinkedIn, just people are calling me, like a lot of people I didn't inform because I didn't know whether I will clear it or not. Right? Only near to people, like near to my friends, only 10 to 20 people know. Now everyone is calling, like how you cleared. And I have given other friends your number. They are contacted Rahul.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Maybe August batch they are planning to join.
Okay.
Because even they are also waiting from long back. They don't know proper way, like whom should they have to go and everything.
Okay. Okay. So
Why
now,
it's like,
okay, now you are a path setter.
yeah,
So you show the direction, go this side, and everybody will, yeah, man, we got it.
yeah. Here it's like price and everything is costly still. I mean, Dubai, like,
I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. I do get people from different countries. I know what's the pricing there. So we don't talk about money in our
yeah,
classes mostly because, see, I have started this as a service, and yeah, everything is going good as people. One thing I see is people associated with us keep shining. Either they get into PMP well or get into a better job. Either of one will happen, and they'll tell after a few days, man, I got a good job. Okay, that's nice.
it will give more confidence, Sriram. For me, like last year, to clear this interview, like I joined in the government organization now, right? When I went there, like they asked more into like security issues, risk, and how you will manage when issue comes. Like I was prepared last year, right? When I went to exam, like it has given more confidence to explain into different way.
Right.
Will give automatically
Yeah.
confident. It will boost you. Like I cleared this interview and now I'm in good position.
Wow, wow, wow. I felt it, Siva. Many people, after reading the books, listening to some of the concepts of PMP, pretty easily they clear the interviews or you get that hold that what is organization you are aware of it. So
Yeah, we
that's
are working. We don't know like why we are doing. Sometimes we'll get frustrated. Team leader, manager will say like you have to do this one. That time we don't know the
right,
value of that one. Now we know, okay, the way we are
right.
doing, okay, this is the purpose of that.
Perfect, perfect. Like it, like it. Superb. So what is special in your area in Dubai? What do you see next to your places? Food item, amusement
Food
park?
here, it's like we'll get all the items same like India Serum. It's like same.
Uh-huh.
We'll get all
Oh,
our Indian hotels and everything. Main.
your famous paradise biryani is there?
Yeah, yes, yes. Golconda biryani, paradise.
Seriously, seriously.
It's like Hyderabad biryani is famous. Like whatever the festival occasions are there, right? Maximum people will prefer Hyderabad biryani. All our
Yeah.
Indians, like even
I,
here, local people also they feel that
uh-huh.
biryani is good. Their hotels are their famous hotels in Dubai.
No, man, as you talk about food, I feel hungry, man. Dinner time.
Yeah, yeah.
I feel it. Okay, good. So Dubai is summertime. Where is this? When is this time? There is something called
Expo is there.
some exhibition show will happen. When it will happen?
From October, Sriram. Last year it has to happen, but due to COVID, they stopped.
Cancelled.
Now they stopped the flights from India. Maybe from September, they're planning to open. Even IPL, everything is there. From
Yeah,
here,
you are stuck at there. You didn't visit your parents or family here.
from past 2 years. From here, flights are coming. From the back, flights are not coming.
Oh man, that's wrong. Now with a certificate, you can land in Hyderabad and tell, hey guys, I got it. You can frame it in a wood frame. They have the wood frame for certificate. Frame it and put on the wall in your office if you have a room or a place for you, or keep in the desk. Many people feel shy. Do I need to show that? Man, you put such an effort. If you don't show, who will show?
Yes. Even I inform my manager and everyone. We have local people. I just inform them. She said like, yeah, we'll utilize your effort in the future.
Nice. Good to know. Good to know. Fantastic. Great, Shiva. So one request, as I do for all the calls, kindly implement what you learn.
Sure, definitely.
Right. Even though it is going to give salary hike, promotion, and your level is high, you will be valued not by your promotion, not by the number of zeros in your account. You will be valued by how you behave, how you work, how do you give value to the business. So even after 6 months, if I connect with you, you should be able to tell, Shriram, I did implementation, something like this. My organization is giving me promotion. So that will be a big
we are working same like WBS. Like whenever we get any requirement, we are just dividing the work and just the way like work packages.
Nice to hear. But I see usually people start implementing quickly on the agile concepts and stakeholder management concepts. They quickly adopt it because that's the easiest thing, but big business win, stakeholder management.
Here only the banks, they are using agile concepts because it's a big organizations, and the small organizations like that. I worked in Emirates NBD, like there I worked in 6 months in the agile, almost 6 to 8 months in the projects.
Nice to know. Great, Shiva. I want to thank you for doing this. And viewers, thanks for watching this video. I'm sure you got some input from Shiva. One thing he said is he stick with one book, PMBOK 6th edition. Again, a lot of people have the questions, Shriram, which book to read? PMBOK 6th edition is always a good book. Don't get confused with 7th edition. 7th edition is another book in the market. If you want, you can refer it, but that's not the only book to read for exam. However, it is, of late people are reading Rita 10th edition and Agile Practice Guide. It's a good combination to clear the exam. And keep in mind, PMP exam is not based on PMBOK, it's based on exam content outline. So just go through the content outline, read any book in the world, you will clear the exam. And rightly Shiva said that, feel confident, go and crack it. That's it, nothing more than that. Right. With this, all good wishes to people who are watching this video. Keep rocking, and let's give all wishes to Shiva for this great success. Good wishes and congratulations again. And leave your likes and comments for Shiva for his great success. Great. Thanks, Shiva.
Thank you, Shriram. Thank you for your team and everyone. Like it was great success. Without you, like maybe we will not able to do it. We can do it, but it may take more and more time. Really, it was everyone like will miss your classes. Even my wife used to listen your classes, like the videos when I'm watching, like even success stories, like she used to tell, like see that the way he's telling, the people will get automatically they will listen. If my daughter knows, like she used to tell PMP. She's 4 years.
Man, we have spoiled many people around, huh?
Yeah.
Good to know. Convey our regards to the family. Thanks.
Sure, definitely. Thank you.
Bye.